Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making crispy fried chicken without bone. Yummy in taste with less ingredients. You can store up to 1 month in refrigerator. Chicken thighs, boneless, 1 kg. Salt as per taste. White pepper 1 tablespoon. Onion powder 1 tablespoon optional. Mix and marinate for 20 minutes. Keep aside. Now add red chili powder 2 tablespoon. Hot sauce 2 tablespoon. Marinate. Keep aside for 1 hour. All-purpose flour. Water to make slurry. Slurry is ready. Keep aside. Now take a plate. All-purpose flour half cup. Red chili powder 3 tablespoon. Corn flour half cup. Salt as per taste. Mix all dry ingredients. Now dip marinated chicken in dry powder. Now in slurry. Again dip in dry powder. Coat well. Now it's ready to serve. At this point you can refrigerate. You can freeze like this. Hot oil. Fry on medium heat until crispy. Now it's ready to serve. You can make burgers with this. Barbecue sauce. Fried chicken. Cheese on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.